we are currently on the topic of suppliers. First of all, what is a supplier? So a supplier is an individual or organization, for example, a meat factory that provides goods or services to another individual or organization, for example, a restaurant. In a business-to-business B2B context, a supplier is typically an organization that produces or manufactures goods or materials, for example, beef patties, that are then sold to other businesses for use in their own products or services. In the example above, the meat factory is a supplier of beef patties to the restaurant. What is a trade creditor then? So a trade creditor is a supplier who has sent your business goods or supplied it with services who you haven't yet paid. The supplier catalog is the master file of all suppliers in the system and interactive settings related to the suppliers. New suppliers are added here and supplier information can be edited in the supplier catalog.